In your Health First report, starting today, there may be a new vaccine urged on every child in this country, male as well as female, as routine as the measles and mumps vaccines. It involves that HPV virus linked to cervical cancer. But that's not the only disease that could be linked to the virus. Here's ABC's Dr. Richard Besser.
HPV is a common virus. 80% of women will have it at some point in their lives. Often, it's harmless, but for some, it can cause cervical cancer. And something you may not have expected, cancer in men. Phil Keene doesn't smoke. He's a picture of health. A professional photographer, married 21 years. One day while he was shaving, he noticed a lump on his neck.
With stage 4 throat cancer.
What went through your head?
Thinking of all the things I'd missed out on or that I didn't do with my children and my wife.
Phil's case is one of more than 8,500 HPV-positive head and neck cancers this year, a number that's increased dramatically over the last decade. They think men are getting it from women, getting the virus through oral sex or other forms of close contact. There is a vaccine against HPV, but it's controversial. Despite recommendations, less than 50% of girls have gotten it. Are we missing a really big opportunity here for prevention?
These vaccines are very important. They're as important as polio and rubella and mumps and all the other vaccines that young kids receive.
Now the CDC is about to weigh in. Should boys get the vaccine too?
I think they'd be crazy not to. I think you've got to vaccinate your kid now. You know, with the information that's out there, it's just, you don't want them waking up in 20 or 30 years and finding out they have stage 4 throat cancer. That's where I am now.
People in the